Fuck Beer. Today I'm making a video, but a completely different video. I have a seriously bad sunburn. What's good done to my face? I look completely ugly. My eyes are swollen. And now I can't go to the lake anymore. I can only just go to pools. Let's see. Like, only inside pools. Not like outside pools. First, when I woke up today, my face wasn't like this. At all. But when I woke up again after a rest, on the bed, on the ground was too hard, so in bed, woke up, my eyes felt weird. I looked in the mirror, and I said, oh heck no. So, yeah, that's wrong with my face. My body is on fire right now. I have a serious bad sunburn. My back, my arms, even my chest, my neck. Or not my neck, I think. Yeah, no, not my neck. It is on fire. Almost my whole entire body is on fire, but only just like neck, arms, back. Not my legs. And plus, my mom put a lot of sunscreen on me for some, but that didn't work. I get sunburned easily, but not this bad. But we'll be playing Theme Park Tycoon. So what's wrong with my theme park is Dream of Fun. I have so much money on it. Let's load it. Hopefully tomorrow my face will be better. Hopefully. Or where I can't see. I don't know. This is day 2 of the sunburn. Day 1, when I was at the lake, my mom said you have a sunburn, and I said, oh really? I didn't know. She put lotion on me, then sunscreen, and then yeah. And then when I got back home late at night, I was on fire. I don't know what to do. I don't know what's going on with my face. Like, why did this have to happen to my face? Should have never happened if I went through that way. Sorry guys for the quietness. I'm just like a little bit upset about my face. Look, I look like a Chinese person. Yeah, but these are my people. But that's it for this video. Bye.